Hello everyone, in this video we will see the introduction of 4 more data types called as list, set, tuple and dictionary. So all these data types are used to store more than one value and each data type has some unique properties. So in this video I will tell you what is the unique property for each data type. So the first one we are going to see is list. Okay, so to create a list, what you have to do is you have to enclose the set of values within this square bracket. Okay, so you should not confuse this square bracket with the index operator. So index operator is different, list is different, and you will get more clarity when we see the coding examples. So list should be enclosed within square brackets like this, and in list all the items are ordered. So ordered means one item is placed after another. So we can clearly say that one item is before this item or after this item. So each item in a list has an index which can be accessed either using positive index, that is 0 to n-1, or using negative index, that is -1 to -n. So since it is ordered, we can use slicing operation, and in list you can have duplicate items, that is same item can be repeated n number of times, and the list can be changed anytime. You can add some elements, you can delete some elements, you can update the elements like that. So this is the property of list. Next comes set. So set should be enclosed within curly braces, so like this. And in set there is no order, so you cannot say that this is the first element, this is the last element, like that. So in list the elements are unordered, so you cannot access a element using any specific index. So that means you cannot use slicing, you cannot use any index in set, and in set you cannot duplicate elements, that is one element should be placed exactly once. You cannot duplicate that elements more than one time. And set can be changed. Okay, so that means you can add some elements, you can remove some elements. You cannot update an element directly. So to update the element, what you should do, you have to remove that element and add the modified value. So in that case you can update the element in the set. So the next data type is tuple. Tuple should be enclosed with normal parentheses, and tuple is like list, and the only difference between tuple and list is, so once you create a set of elements in tuple, you cannot change that. Okay, so you cannot modify the elements, you cannot delete some elements, so it is like a read only. Whereas in list it is not like that. You can change the elements anytime and you can do any type of modification, but that is not possible in tuple. So that is the only difference between list and tuple. So apart from that, everything is same as list. So next comes dictionary. Dictionary also should be enclosed with curly braces, and if you create an empty variable with curly braces, it is not a set, it is dictionary, and dictionary will contain a special value called as key value pair. So there will be a key and each key will have a corresponding value. So we will see more about it when we study dictionary. So as of now you just know that set will have a single value, whereas dictionary will have a key value pair. And if you create a variable with empty curly braces, it is dictionary, it is not set. So now let us go to coding and we will see how to create all these data types. So let me create a variable called as a is equal to, so I am enclosing with square braces. Okay, so that means a is a list. To confirm that, we will use type operator, type of a, and output is giving list. This is how you create a list. Now let us create a tuple. So I will use the same variable a is equal to parenthesis. So now if you check the type of a, it is going to return tuple. Now let us create a dictionary. So a is equal to curly braces. So I told you both set and dictionary both should be enclosed within curly braces, but when you give a empty curly braces, it will be a dictionary, it will not be a set. Okay, so see, it is a dictionary. Okay, so to create a empty set, what you have to do is you have to give a is equal to, you have to call the set function set of empty parentheses. Okay, so now if you check the type of a, it is going to return set. So this is how you create all these 4 data types, and in the next video we will talk more about each data